Hi guys. I'm Lionel PASCADO HERMAWAN from 11th to number 22. In this video I will show you a simple pendulum experiment. But, before we start the video, don't forget to like and subscribe for another video. Check this out. A pendulum with a length of 40 centimeters and a mass of 50 grams will swing in 30 degrees for 5 periods. To find the period we will use these formula. From the experiment, we get 6 seconds in 5 waves. So the period is 6 divided 5 equals 1.2 seconds. And the acceleration due to gravity is 10.98 meter per second squared. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed. See you and goodbye.